Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious muffins in your air fryer. First, ensure you have all your ingredients and equipment ready, including muffin liners. Preheat your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. While it preheats, prepare your favorite muffin batter. This quick preparation ensures a smooth baking process, leading to perfectly cooked muffins every time. Now, it's time to fill your muffin cups. Spoon your batter into each cup, making sure to fill them about 2/3 full. Avoid overfilling, as this can cause the muffins to overflow and create a mess. Carefully arrange the filled muffin cups in a single layer within your air fryer basket, ensuring good air circulation for even baking. With your muffins loaded, it's time to bake. Cook them at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. To check if they are done, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. It should come out clean. Remember that cooking times can vary slightly depending on your air fryer model, so keep an eye on them. Once baked to perfection, carefully remove the hot muffins from the air fryer basket. Transfer them to a wire rack to cool for at least 10 minutes. This cooling period allows them to set properly and prevents them from becoming soggy. Now, your delicious, perfectly golden air fryer muffins are ready to be enjoyed. They're a quick and easy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.